Guys, today I'm going to talk about how to deploy Tomcat server on an Elastic build stack of AWS. So first we need three requirements. That is Tomcat server. We have to install Tomcat server, Java, JDK, and Eclipse IDE. So go to the Google, type on tomcatapache.org, click on the 32-bit or 64-bit Windows Service Installer, then go to Downloads, then go to click on Show in Folder, then click on the installed Apache Tomcat server, then click on Next, click on Agreements, I agree, then click on all the features, then click on Next. These are the ports to connect to the server through a browser, then click on Next. Then browse the folder in which the Java Tomcat server should run. That is, go to this PC, select on local disk C, and you'll be seeing program files where Java JDK will be stored. Click on JDK to have the runtime environment for Tomcat server. Then click Next. Then click on Install. The Apache Tomcat server has been installing. Then uncheck Show README and click on Finish. Your Apache Tomcat server will be running in the background. You can find your Apache Tomcat files in C folder. Go to C folder, program files, Apache Software Foundation. This is where you'll find Tomcat server installed and files. Click on bin, go to Tomcat AW, then run as administrator. Click on, you'll see the Apache Tomcat has been running. Then click on OK. Now to give the full access to your web application, right click on Tomcat folder, go to properties, then go to security, click on edit, go to click on full control to give the full access over your web application in Tomcat server. Click on apply and OK. Then click on OK. You'll have full access over your web application in Tomcat server. Now download Eclipse IDE on Google. If you click on the first link, you can find Eclipse IDE. Now click on this download 64-bit. You'll get the download. You'll be downloading the Eclipse IDE. After once you download, you'll get the following window screen. There we have. So here we have various platforms for Java developers. So we are going to select Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers to run Tomcat servers. If you click on that, you get to install. Click on install. Now click on select all, then click on accept selected for the resources of enterprise Java development, and now click on launch. Your application has been launched. Once your application is being launched, you will see the following screen over here. Now go to Windows, click on Perspective, open Perspective and select Web to deploy the Tomcat server web. Go to Preferences, there you will see Servers, click on Server, expand it and click on Runtime Environment. Go to Add, click on Add. Now select the Tomcat version which you have been installed, then click on Finish. After selecting the server, click on Finish. Here you can see your Apache Tomcat server has been launched. Now go to servers, click on new project, click on others, go to web, expand web and click on dynamic web project. There you can create a many number of files, your project name to host this project on the servers. Here you can see Apache Tomcat server latest version has been selected as a new runtime environment for Tomcat server. Select the version module, click on next and click on finish. Your application will be launched on the server. There you can see the name of the application as Krishna. Click on that, create a new, click on new and create a JSP file. You can create any number of file in that, but I chose to select JSP file. Now you see the code over here as an example. That is nothing but hello Krishna. Now after writing the code, editing the code, go to your folder application which you have created. Right click on the application which you have created and click on run as, click on run on server, click on the server and click on finish. Here you can see the application which you have deployed as hello Krishna and the link of localhost of your Tomcat server. You can copy the link in which your application has been hosted and paste it on the Google. You can see your application has successfully deployed in Tomcat server and can be accessed through any browser through the localhost link. Now export the file as WAR file to deploy in AWS. You have created a WAR file Krishna aws.war. So after saving in this folder, click on save and finish and exit from there. And now go to the AWS console. Here you can see Elastic Beanstalk. Click on Elastic Beanstalk. Click on get started. Give application name to be deployed as Elastic Beanstalk environment. Click the platform, select the platform as Tomcat server, and then click on create application. Your Elastic Beanstalk web server application environment is being launched. This may take few minutes depending on your network connectivity. So you can see your instance IP. This is 3.19.83.159. You can see waiting for EC2 instance to launch. This may take few minutes. Your Elastic Beanstalk instance is being launched. Here you can see your application of using Tomcat server is being launched. Here we can upload and deploy our own custom Java application. These are the health of your environment and the versions to deploy your application. And we have Tomcat server 8.5 with Java running on it. To upload and deploy, click on upload and deploy. Choose the file which you have exported as WAR file. Click on it and open. Click on open. Give the version name as version level as 1.0. Then click on deploy. Your custom application of Java Tomcat server is being deployed over here. You can monitor all your events of trace, debug, information, warning, error of your web application on these events. So as you can see, running version 1.0 which we have uploaded. Now you can click on the URL above and you can see your application has been successfully deployed in AWS cloud environment. Thank you.